Hello students, before starting any topic, we are going to start types of numbers. So when we will be clear with all these basics, then we can start with the chapter. So today we are going to do three kinds of numbers, that is natural numbers, another one is whole numbers, third one is integers. Okay, so first of all we will start with natural numbers. What are natural numbers कि नेचर ने जिन नंबर्स को अडॉप्ट किया है काउंट करने के लिए. सपोज वी हैव सो मेनी ट्रीज इन द नेचर and we need to count how many trees are there in the nature. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 trees are there. Can I say 0 trees are there? No. क्योंकि नेचर में जो चीज एग्जिस्ट कर रही है उसी को काउंट करने के लिए हमने इन नंबर्स को चूज किया है. And by that process only we have named these numbers as natural numbers. क्योंकि नेचर में जो भी चीज एग्जिस्ट करती है उनको काउंट करने के लिए हमने इन नंबर्स को यूज किया. सो इन नंबर्स को हम डिनोट करते हैं कैपिटल N से और इसके एलिमेंट्स को हम लिखते हैं एक कर्ली ब्रैकेट से स्टार्ट करके. सो इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 1, 2, 3 and it goes up to infinity. This is the symbol of infinity. कि नेचुरल नंबर्स को मैंने डिनोट किया n से और उसमें जो सेट ऑफ एलिमेंट्स हैं वो 1 से स्टार्ट होके और इन्फिनिटी तक जाएगा कि काउंटिंग हमारी खत्म नहीं होगी, आगे बढ़ती ही जाएगी. वेदर वी अडॉप्ट इंडियन सिस्टम ऑफ काउंटिंग और इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम ऑफ काउंटिंग, कोई भी सिस्टम हम अडॉप्ट करते हैं तो वो अनलिमिटेड इनफाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ टाइम तक जाएगी. So this was about natural numbers. Now I'll explain whole numbers. See, what is the difference between whole numbers and natural numbers? Whole numbers means 0 and natural numbers. कि नेचुरल नंबर्स का जो भी सेट अभी हमने पढ़ा है उसके साथ अगर मैं 0 भी इंक्लूड करती हूँ so that becomes whole numbers. So we denote it by capital W. Again, the set of elements of whole numbers starts with a curly bracket, then 0. So we need to pay attention on 0, that 0 is included in whole number, but this is not included in natural number. So it starts with 0 and then all natural number 1, 2, 3. Again, it goes up to infinity. Right? So this is whole number. It includes 0, but natural numbers do not include 0. So this is the difference between whole number and natural number. Now let us come to integers part. Let us discuss about integers now. So by now we have done whole numbers and natural number. Whole number is which starts from 0, then natural number, it goes up to infinity. So when we are doing integers, integers include whole number, that is 0, then natural number and then negative natural number. Like natural number is 1, तो इसका negative होगा -1. Natural number is 2, तो इसका negative होगा -2. And again it will also go up to infinite. So integers include whole numbers, positive natural numbers and negative natural numbers. So integers include whole numbers. These are positive natural numbers and these are negative natural numbers. इन तीनों को जब हम मिलाते हैं तो क्या बन जाता है? Integers. Now how do we denote integers? We denote it by capital Z. नेचुरल नंबर्स को हमने डिनोट किया था कैपिटल N से, होल नंबर्स को डिनोट किया था कैपिटल W से और इंटीजर्स को डिनोट किया है कैपिटल Z से. So we can write it as -3, or we can start it from infinity, -3, -2, -1, then it comes to 0, then positive natural number starts, again it goes up to infinity. So these are integers, right? So now we will see the sum total of a quick revision of all three. What is the difference between all? We denote the natural numbers by capital N, and the set of elements is 1, 2, 3. It goes up to infinity. Now if we talk about whole numbers, we denote it by capital W. It starts with 0. All natural numbers are included in it. Now if we talk about integers, it is denoted by capital Z. Yes, the set of elements starts with infinity, minus terms, 0, and then positive numbers. Again it goes up to infinity. So today you will revise how do we denote the numbers, what are the difference between all three kinds of numbers. So once you get through this topic, then we'll start our first chapter, that is number system. Okay, thank you.